Okay, one quick extension that you could do on this. So you've got these instructions here. Use a second map to color the continents digitally. Okay, now this is your choice if you want to color the continent and you can't print it out and color it with coloring pencils. Okay, so in your slideshow, you've got, here's my first example I just showed you. Okay, and here is the second one. Now this map, if you're not going to use it, and you're just going to use the first one, then delete the slide. It'll just make everything work faster. But if you do want to use it, what you can do is you can click on the map, and then you can click on a continent, like Asia here, okay? And then we can color Asia, let's say that color, okay? But you'll see that it hasn't actually picked up on all of the islands associated with Asia. So if you want to do this, you're going to need to click all those little islands, which is not that many, we can go through them. Now I'm holding down the shift key to multi-click. Okay, I haven't got them all yet, but I'm just going to color those the same color. Okay, and I've got a few more to go down here. Now this might be easier if I zoomed in, but that's for you to do later. So I'm just going to pick up on the main ones. And there we go. So I've largely coloured in Asia. There are a few more to colour in if I was to carry on. And then you would do a box like this. Colour it in the same colour because this is going to be our key. And I'm going to add the text there. This is Asia. Okay. So that is another way that you can make your map colour coding the continents. Right.